Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Facebook login with Meta for mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Facebook login with Meta for your mobile app, start by visiting the Facebook for Developers website. Log in with your Facebook account if you haven't done so already. Select My Apps from the top navigation menu. Click on the Create App button. Choose the type of app you want to create, such as consumer or business. Follow the prompts to enter your app's display name, email, and purpose. Once created, you'll be directed to the app dashboard. Locate the Add a Product section on the left sidebar. Find Facebook Login and click the Setup button. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure Facebook Login for your app. In the Settings tab under Facebook Login, enter your mobile app's bundle ID or package name accurately. Enable Client OAuth login to allow users to authenticate with Facebook. Update the redirect URLs as per your app's requirements. For iOS apps, make sure to include the correct iOS settings in the Facebook Developer Console. For Android apps, ensure you add the necessary Android key hashes. Once everything is set, click Save Changes at the bottom of the settings page. Next, integrate Facebook's SDK into your mobile app. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install the SDK. For Android, add the required dependencies in your Gradle files. Implement the login flow in your app using the provided SDK documentation. Test the Facebook login feature thoroughly to ensure seamless integration. After testing, visit the App Review section in the Developer Console. Submit your app for review if you plan to make it available to the public. Once approved, users will be able to log into your mobile app using their Facebook accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.